Hello there, and today we're going to take a look at macromolecules. Part of the reason that we're doing macromolecules instead of like atomic structure or we getting into some molarity and things of that nature is that I think this is going to be a little bit easier for you to grasp in a more applied concept while we're distance learning here. So macromolecules, we're going into that, and then we're going to kind of go into what makes them up and how are they put together. So that'll come a little later. So today's assignment is pretty straightforward and shouldn't take you a whole lot of time. Go ahead and open up the macromolecules slide deck. And we're going to focus on molecules themselves, the building blocks, and carbohydrates. This week we are doing some white gravy and as well as some other stuff that still have to do with carbohydrates. So we're going to focus on that for a little bit before we go to some lipids and some other things. So molecule tab there. Let's go back up to the directions here. There's two links. You can use either one. They're the same link. And then insert your questions and your answers to the questions here, and then go back into the assignment and hit submit. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.